Coming to the airport, I see not one, not two, but three powerful trucks today. We're going to start off with round one, 775 horsepower Shelby F150. Damn, this is a rare one. You rarely see a car like that. Number two, Lamborghini Urus. You already know what this is. Twin turbo V8. I think it's twin turbo, baby. 285s in the front. You know it's 325s in the rear. Lamborghini. And to top it all off with America, a Ram, a TRX Hellcat Ram truck in the flesh and blood. 700 horsepower, another 700 horsepower truck right here. These tires are 325